We were driving along the banks of the great Ruaha River, and this is one of the situations where I'm really grateful for the underbody protection on the Hilux, because I've been in a situation just like this before with another vehicle that didn't have it on, and we were driving through this thick grass, long grass I should say, and you can't really see what's in it, and I had a stump that I couldn't see, and it bent the steering arm of the vehicle and made it inoperable. There's an old track here. We are on an old track, but it's really overgrown. We are hours from anywhere where we are right now, so if that had to happen to us here, it wouldn't be so funny. So this is a great example of where under vehicle protection really can help you out, and I'm really grateful to have it on the Luxy. Humber the Hilux.